Assalamualaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Peace and blessings be upon you. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm just going to show you 5 different sites where you can go do CAPTCHA typing. Those CAPTCHAs are those extra security numbers and the images which you choose in order to pass that security, the Google and YouTube or any website. When you do many things, when you do things a lot, it comes up with one robo. I'm not a robo. You need to enter the CAPTCHA. That's what I'm talking about. So there are 5 websites I'm going to show you today where you can type CAPTCHAs and make money. But out of the 5, there's only one of my favorite which I still use as just not for my previously I used to use as my way to make money, but now I use that as a service for my other websites. So totally 5 websites I'm just going to show you about making money with CAPTCHAs. Okay, so straight to the video. If this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified about any new videos I do. You can see this is my channel all about make money online videos, whether it is $10, $20, up to $100 to $500. I have videos on it, and I do use 99% of it, most of them. But the old ones which I used when I started online, I'm not using anymore, because whatever I show videos today, I'm going to show you, it's not going to make you rich. Okay, it will just show you that there is opportunity to make money. I'm talking in the range of $10, $20. But once you start to make money, such money, you should really jump on to the next level of making money, because this is like a monotonous job. You will get fed up doing such job for a long time. That's the reason. But for a newbie, for a beginner, it's okay. Going forward, I wouldn't recommend. I'm sure you itself will come to know, and you will jump onto the other good ways of different levels of making money. Okay. Anyway, so let's jump on the video straight away. The first website today is actually 2 websites to go that I'm going to show you. It's all the same name. It's ProTypers. You can see this protypers.com. I'm just not going to show you the login and all those stuff, spoon feed you. Okay, it's so simple. But wait till end of the video. I'm going to show you my favorite website, which I will recommend you to start with. But I will just also show you because when it comes to CAPTCHAs, the problem is there are lots of scam going on there. I have done a video before where just telling you, in India and other places, Pakistan, it's just like in Asian countries, many people are making use of newbies and thinking that they want to make money, and they use this service, make them do these CAPTCHAs, and they don't pay them. All those things are going on. So be careful with those things. But these are sites which have been there for quite some time, and you can see all these people who have been winning, making money out of these websites. You can go here, start working and do it. So this is like first website along with Mega Typers. Actually, Mega Typers and Pro Typers seems to be similar sites. The way it looks like is same. And when you come here, you just go register it. For registering, 2 things. One is your email ID, and then once it is entered, they will ask you to activate through your inbox. Okay, that's one thing that you do. And the most important thing with these websites now recently, what they've started doing is giving you this option of buying. Don't ever go and buy. Okay, so this is how you will be doing CAPTCHAs. You can see this. You can see you have to solve this image in 10 seconds. Let me do that one. 8 8 7 5 5. Okay, time is finished. 8 7 5 5 9. Submit answer. Okay, so this is what the CAPTCHA is. Basically, you have to keep entering. It's not huge money. We are talking, you can see this, for 1,000 images, you're going to get 60 type of credits. Like, I can tell, for 1,000, you might be earning like $1 or $2. You know what I mean? It's very, very tiny amount of money you're going to earn. But the job is like that. It's like, since I didn't do anything, it's just kept coming like that. Anyway, so what I'm trying to say is the money is less. $2 for 1,000 or $1 for 1,000 CAPTCHAs is very less, but end of the day, this is what it is. Either you have to trade between time and money. If you have any skill, I have lots of other videos where I show you how to make money. If not, if you want to do what I do, the description, the first link, I do YouTube affiliate marketing. That's all you can do. But for this is mainly for people who are a newbie, beginner, who want to earn that $1, $10, $20. This is what it is. The most important thing I want to warn you is never ever go and buy boost pack or all this stuff. The reason is, they say that they give you more chance of CAPTCHAs for you to do. You don't want that to start with. If you have money, you can always go and buy a better course and start learning new skills and stuff. why would you be doing this one? Okay, so that's not the idea of showing this sites. The idea is to show for people who are struggling, you know, for earning their $1 or $5 or $10. That's why I'm showing these sites. Okay, so this is one site where you come and register and start doing it. Don't go and buy any of these places. Never ever spend money on this. You have to earn money from them. Okay, don't buy this boost pack. Okay, that's a warning. Only recently they have started this this thing of, you know, boost pack thing. Okay, so two sites. One is Mega Typers and Pro Typers. Both are similar sites, but these two are, you know, kind of do the website structure seems to be, it might be a sister concern. I don't know. It's same site, similar site. Okay, the third one actually, I would say this one. CAPTCHAtypers.com. Again, this is also simple. I'm not going to show you like login and stuff. You just come in, just, you know, go log in, new user register. They will mainly ask you, the basic thing is submit this name, username, and once you go, they will ask you activate the email and come back and do it. Never ever pay anything. Okay, be careful on that. And you go here, it shows simple how to new user register. You have to go through. No, here it is, guide to work with this CAPTCHA typers. It shows you each and everything, how it has to be done. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Again, the money is less, $1, $2, same in the range of that one. Okay, I can see this. This is mainly favorite of Indian people. Actually, they do a lot of this one. You can see the daily price we pay in banks in India, $1, which is like 62 equivalent to Indian money. Okay, so the minimum payout is $1 with these people. Okay, they have been there from 2017 actually. I can see that. Okay, anyway, I'm not here to show you all these basic things, which is simple, but I want to only recommend you the best of best for you to start with. Okay, see this, the minimum payout is minimum payout is $5. Okay, for the net other payment options. So it depends upon your payment option. They give you $1 and $5. Okay, that's what it is. Depends upon your PayPal, Pioneer. I think this takes Pioneer actually. Okay, go through the website. You can find out all those things. Okay, let's jump on to the fourth. This is the third one. Fourth one is where's that one? The other thing is, here it is. Yeah. This is the oldest, one of the oldest site as well. KOLO, you can see Koloti Bablo. This is a very of the oldest site actually. If you come here down, you will know what I'm talking about. This is the $1 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. Either CAPTCHAs are either numbers, letters. You can see image CAPTCHAs also there. Image CAPTCHAs, fun CAPTCHAs. There are different types of CAPTCHAs are there, and you get money according to it. Okay, this is what it is. You can see they also pay you in BTC, Bitcoin. If you're going to it, you're earning like 22.50 per Bitcoin. Trader, whatever it is. Okay, I'm not into crypto, so I don't know about much of that thing. And you come here, you come and start. There's also other thing is you can also make money with referrals. That's some faster way to make money. If you start making money, you can also recommend your friends and to join, and you get money. So this is the fourth website. Okay, without wasting time, let's jump on to my favorite website, which I always told you, even with the before website. You can see with the proof that I use this one. You can see this money, which I used before as a worker, but now I use as a customer. You can see this customer website is different. This is a very well famous and very well known website used by all the top companies. Okay, when I say top companies, why they use is that it's like a protection for their website. When somebody is using so many times, they want to protect that, and they want to use this service as a barrier between bots and all those stuffs where they don't want them. Never ever use those. You know, try to be genuine with these people always. Okay, let's jump on to the worker side of it. That's what I'm showing here. So this is how you come in, and you place. Okay, this is the money payout. You can request payout actually. Okay, then let's do start. I'm just going to show you the different things. You can see this. I'm just going to show you. Yeah, even when you start with this website, you will be given a test to pass it. That is like 45 CAPTCHAs you have to pass through. You can see, I'm just going to show you. This is the image CAPTCHA we was talking about. See, select the images with street numbers. See this street number. I think. Oh yeah, I had to enter the numbers, which is 1, 2. What is that number? 1, 3, 5. This is a test actually. It's not at all CAPTCHA at all. Like, let me go to the next one. See, your answer is incorrect. You type 1359 and click send. This is 1, 3, 5, 9. Okay. This is a test actually. This is test. This is not test. This is like a trial, what do you call, in order to pass this one, it's like they show you the numbers, how to do, they show you how to do this one, how to do the images, and only then you will be given the chance to really attend the real CAPTCHAs. Okay, this is what I recommend you to start with, because all other sites, like, not the best, but this is the top, and then all others are second, third, and fourth. That's why I wanted to show you at the last, and this is where I use a lot and still using it. Okay, so you can, I'm using as a customer now, so why not, you can start making money with this. Okay, let's, so this one contains text instruction to select street signs. Okay, 1, oh no, this is 2, 3, 4, so this is 2, so it is, let me try this, 2, this is 6, 7, 7, and this also, there's 7, 8, 9, 8, 9, I think so. Let's see. Am I correct or wrong? Okay, perfect, correct. So street, why I can't type anything? Look at, there's a grid appears, the image. That means you have to click on the correct squares and click send. Street numbers, it's not a CAPTCHA. I'm just gonna jump on to the next one. Okay, your answer is incorrect. Okay, hint, you have to click the 3rd, 5th, 7th, and 3rd, that's a number. Okay, 3rd, 5th, and 7th. Yeah, correct. Sorry, I was wrong. See, there's numbers, you can see it's very tiny. I can't myself, it's blurring. It's 3, what was it, 3, 5, and 7. This is basically the test. They are helping you how, this is how you will be going through your test. Sorry, going through your sorry, oh my god, why it's not typing. Three, my numbers, why, oops. 3, no, click 2, sorry, 3, 5, 7, no, not 2 is not correct, I think 2 is not correct, it's not going through. I don't think it'll be wrong. I think your answer is incorrect. I know that. So this is, you had to click actually, so this is 3, 5, 7, hopefully it's correct. Yes, perfect. So you got the idea, right? So I'm just trying to show you, this is like the top and the most genuine website, I would say. So I would recommend, this is a test you have to pass through in order to make money, and end of the day, it's less money, okay? But I just wanted to give you a chance where people are really struggling. You can start something out of this site, okay? This is like $1, $2 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs. But in order to pass the CAPTCHAs, you have to pass through this 45 tests in order to start thing. But it is really interesting. Like, if you don't have anything to do, or if you want to do it as a part-time, you can test these sites. That's it, guys. I want to don't drag this video, just show you all these websites, but I would recommend you to start with 2 CAPTCHA, okay? That's what it is. If you have any doubts, just comment below, I'll reply to it. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I do such new videos. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.